Are you running a Shopify store and want to give your customers an amazing shopping experience with the best Shopify apps? Then you've come to the right place. The Shopify App Store has tons of tools that can help you do just that. But with hundreds of apps to choose from, it can be tricky to know where to start. That's why I did the homework for you. We've checked out a bunch of apps to bring you the top app picks to boost your sales, improve your buyer experience, and ultimately help you build a better brand. Stick around for the best Shopify apps for your e-commerce store. Have you ever gotten an email with a discount on something you left in your shopping cart? That's called email retargeting, and it's just one of the many useful things the Klaviyo app can do. Klaviyo is like a super smart email marketing tool. It lets you use what you know about your customers to send them messages that feel like they were made just for them. Whether it's an email reminding your customer about their shopping cart, a thank you note after they buy something, or a special offer for your loyal customers, this app gives you the power to make your marketing messages really connect with the people who matter most to your business. I used Klaviyo's email campaign tool to create a special sale email for my store subscribers. Honestly, I was amazed at how fast and easy it was to design the email. With their email design feature, you can pick colors and arrange text, getting your emails ready to go in just minutes. Plus, Klaviyo even helps you come up with optimized subject lines for your emails and ensures they follow best practices so your emails don't end up in spam folders. Then I checked out another feature on Klaviyo that I think can help your brand a ton: email flows for your customers. Think of an email flow like a super helpful assistant that automatically sends a series of emails to people based on what they do in your store, like signing up for your newsletter or leaving items in their shopping cart without buying. These emails are sent at just the right time and with a specific message guiding your customers along their shopping journey. Klaviyo has a free plan that allows you to send up to 500 emails per month. They also have paid plans for more features. One option is $45 a month, and there's another paid plan with over 15,000 emails and the ability to target your messages on different channels like SMS. That one costs about $60 a month. Whopping 96% of people who visit your website aren't ready to buy something right away. Instead of pushing them to add to cart immediately, why not let them save the products they love for later? That's where Wishlist Plus comes in. This app makes it easier for those window shoppers to actually become paying customers. It lets them favorite or save items they like, and the app remembers those items for them when they are ready to buy. With Wishlist Plus, you can add a little heart icon right onto your product pictures. This lets people easily save their favorites with just one click. You've probably seen this type of tool when buying on online stores like ASOS or Fashion Nova. This app even lets you customize the look to match your own website style. Your shoppers can create multiple wish lists if they want, maybe one for birthday ideas and another one for summer outfits. Plus, they can share these lists with friends and family through email or social media. And here's the cool part. It works even if people haven't created an account on your store. Wishlist Plus also gives you really helpful info about what your customers love. The data it collects from their wish list shows you which products are the most popular. This can help you make smarter choices about what to stock and how to market things in your store. Wishlist Plus has a free basic plan. For all the extra features like automatic email reminders, social media sharing, and retargeting on Facebook and Instagram, they have a paid option for $19.99 a month and a more advanced plan for $59.99. To sell products on Shopify, you usually need to have stock that you buy and store in bulk. But what if you could start your brand without any products on hand and without a big upfront investment? Printful prints your designs on apparel and other items, which are then shipped directly to your customers anywhere, thanks to cutting-edge facilities around the world. Your customers get beautiful products made using the latest techniques like direct-to-garment printing and embroidery, while you get your brand onto the t-shirts, hats, and mugs of your biggest fans. When you install the Printful app in your Shopify store, you can add your designs to the print-on-demand products in Printful's catalog, and then list them for sale on your Shopify store in minutes. See how I just created this dad hat for my Shopify store? It's that easy. With the Printful app taking care of production and shipping, you get to pour your energy into what you're probably most passionate about. designing your products, and marketing them. Printful is free to install and use, and you only pay a production fee when an order comes in. As you know, TikTok is huge. Over 1 billion people use it every month, making it the fastest growing social media app in the world. What's really cool is how their algorithm catapults even the simplest videos to virality, giving brands like yours a real chance to get noticed and boost your business big time. The TikTok app connects with Shopify, and it lets you set up a TikTok shop so users can browse and buy your products right inside your TikTok profile. It's super convenient for creators. TikTok gives you a bunch of tools to create ads, automatically show your products in your videos, and even sell directly to people while you're doing live streams. One of the things I really like about this app is that you can manage your whole TikTok shop right from your Shopify dashboard. It's easy to add the products you already have on Shopify to your TikTok shop. The whole process is really straightforward. The TikTok app itself is free to download and use. When you decide to run ads, you get to set your own budget so you're in control of how much you spend. The ad costs are then billed straight to your TikTok account. Think about when you're about to buy something online. What's one of the first things you look for? Probably reviews from other people who have already bought it, right? Well, you're not alone. Almost half of the people shopping online trust reviews just as much as recommendations from their own friends. So when someone's on the fence about buying from your store, seeing real feedback and photos from happy customers can be the little push they need to finally go through with their purchase. What does the Loox app do? It automatically sends emails to your customers after they've bought something from your store, asking them to leave a review of the product. And here's a smart move. Loox often offers them a discount on their next purchase if they include a photo with their review. The app lets you show off all those great reviews and customer photos in beautiful galleries right on your store. It's like having your best customers do the selling for you. Carlos from House of Chingazos, a popular Latino streetwear brand in the US, loves using Loox. Here's why Carlos added the Loox app to his Shopify store.
Loox Reviews is one of my favorite apps. They're really good at sending emails out to your customer after they've received a product, allowing them to leave cool photo reviews. And that's actually one of my favorite pages on the entire site is the reviews page, just seeing everybody's photos, talking about how much they love the product.
The app starts at $12.99 per month for basic features. They also have other plans that unlock features like collecting reviews for every order and adding video reviews to your site. While I was looking into review apps, I found a free alternative to Loox called Okendo. Now, it doesn't have all the features of Loox, but it still lets you add a review section to your Shopify store. If you're using Okendo, definitely let me know what you think of it in the comments. Having a good SEO strategy means making sure your store shows up when people search for what you sell on Google and other search engines. Think of Google as a giant library for the internet. If someone's looking for t-shirts like the ones you sell, you want your store to be the first one they see, right? To do that, you need to organize your shelves, which is your Shopify store, in a way that Google understands. That's what SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about, making it easy for search engines to find you. Now, there's a helpful app called Smart SEO that makes this whole process much easier. It helps you optimize each of your products with special titles and descriptions that are designed to help Google find them. I love this feature that lets you see exactly how your product will look in Google search while optimizing your product titles and descriptions. This app also organizes your website's content so Google knows what's what. Like which pages are your blog posts and which are your main product pages. Plus, it helps create those behind-the-scenes tags for your images, which are called meta tags and alt tags. These tags help Google analyze your store pictures, which also helps you get found. On top of all that, Smart SEO can find and fix broken links on your store. Those are links on your website that don't go anywhere and frustrate visitors. It also helps manage those redirects, which are forwarding addresses to your website, telling Google and visitors if a page has moved to a new location. This is all really important for keeping your website healthy in Google's eyes. Smart SEO has a free plan where it helps you fix broken links, optimize your images, and organize those meta tags. Then, if you need to fix even more things, they have paid plans which give you more credits to use for these and extra features. Have you ever subscribed to a service like Netflix where you pay monthly to get access to movies? Well, imagine that same idea, but instead of digital content, you get actual products delivered right to your door every month. And that's exactly what the Loop app is for. Brands that use the subscription model focus on creating merch or special boxes of goodies that arrive regularly, like every month or every few months, to their customers. Loop is an all-in-one tool for setting up and managing subscriptions. This app aims to attract customers with features like a customer area where they can manage their subscriptions, create personalized emails, and even the option to create product bundles for subscribers. The subscription model has become super popular in many niches. It's a perfect fit for things like beauty and personal care products you use regularly, health and fitness items, pet supplies you need every month, and even things like meals and wine. Seriously, who wouldn't want a unique wine tasting experience delivered to their place every month with a subscription? Sign me up! Now, think about your own brand. Could offering a subscription be a great way to connect with your customers and keep them buying? If that's the case, the Loop app is definitely worth checking out. Growing brands like Good Protein, Hello Bello, and Soulbox use Loop's subscription features. Just take a quick look at their websites to see all the different kinds of products they offer through subscriptions. Okay, I'm seriously craving one of those Korean snack boxes right now. I spent some time checking out Loop, and I found their bundle feature to be really handy. Here you can see how Loop lets me create a custom box of different meal items. Now, think about how you could do the same with your products, letting customers build their own special boxes. Loop's subscription plan costs $99 per month. For that, you get unlimited subscribers, the ability to create those customizable bundles we just saw, and even set up a branded customer portal to let customers manage or cancel their subscriptions. Alright, that's our rundown of some top Shopify apps to boost your store. Hopefully, you've got some great ideas to level up your business, from product reviews to getting found online. Remember, the Shopify App Store has hundreds of apps, so don't be afraid to explore and find the tools that work best for your brand. And if you're already using Shopify apps, tell me about your must-haves in the comments. If you're interested in learning more about how to sell print-on-demand products on Shopify, watch our next video here. And in the meantime, happy selling!